Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and share for more market insights. The week gone by was a bit of a roller coaster for the tech titans, with some soaring to new heights while others stumbled. It was a classic tale of two giants, as Apple and Microsoft took center stage. Apple, despite beating earnings expectations, saw its stock tumble by 4%. Investors seemed spooked by the looming threat of tariffs and ongoing legal battles. Meanwhile, Microsoft emerged as the week's golden boy. Its stock surged by 2.8%, buoyed by killer Q3 results and an optimistic outlook. Talk about a tale of two cities. But it wasn't just about Apple and Microsoft. Nvidia, the darling of the AI world, continued its winning streak, posting a solid 3% gain. Meta also enjoyed a good week, with its stock rising by 5% as investors breathed a sigh of relief over its Q1 results. However, not all tech giants were so fortunate. Amazon, despite beating Q1 estimates, saw its stock rise by a mere 1.1%. Investors seemed worried about the e-commerce behemoth's mixed Q2 outlook, particularly the potential impact of tariffs. Earnings season was in full swing, and it was a mixed bag of surprises and disappointments. Nvidia knocked it out of the park, beating Q4 targets and unveiling ambitious new AI initiatives. Alphabet also surpassed Q1 estimates, proving that the search giant is still a force to be reckoned with. Meta's Q1 results, while not spectacular, were enough to ease investor fears about the impact of tariffs. However, not all earnings reports were met with cheers. Amazon's mixed Q2 outlook, particularly its concerns about tariffs and slightly lower than expected cloud revenue, left investors feeling a tad uneasy. But the biggest disappointment came from Tesla. The electric vehicle pioneer saw its Q1 earnings plummet by a gut-wrenching 40%, while revenue took a 9% nosedive. CEO Elon Musk promised to revisit the company's 2025 guidance in Q2, but investors were left wondering if the once unstoppable Tesla had finally hit a speed bump. Despite the mixed bag of earnings reports and lingering geopolitical uncertainties, the overall market sentiment was cautiously optimistic. The S&P 500 climbed by a respectable 2.92%, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq surged by 3.42%. It seems investors were willing to look past the short-term hiccups and focus on the long-term growth potential of the U.S. economy. The jobs report for April painted a rosy picture, with the U.S. economy adding a healthy 177,000 jobs, and the unemployment rate holding steady at a low 4.2%.